Hi everyone, I want to share with you principle 6 to 4 the laws. 6 to 4 principle. Here is diagrams. My diagrams is always a person has a tens. 10, right here, tens. So to live with others, a person minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4. Here minus 4. This minus 4 is plus. Here is combined the common use the energy or shared benefits energy is plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. It's 4 plus 16 is added in these places. So then here n is what is that? N is living with other shared persons, number of shared persons. If 4 persons, then is 16, right? 16 benefits. If 3 persons, then 12 benefits. 10 plus 12 benefits, right? If two person combined, then here this ways of solving rules. Original is all has a 6. 6 is original. 6 plus 4 multiple 2 is n is 2, right? 2, right? Then 6 plus 8 is 12, right? No, right? 14. Yes, this is 14 is 4. Is maybe original. If a single living, then it's 10. The 14 minus 10 equal 4. 4 benefits better. 2 persons. 2 persons. So then, just we all try. If someone living a singular living, then it's singular living. Singular living is all 10. But it's share with other living is in this place. This common use place. So probably a person 6 plus here is combined benefit is a person total benefit. Yes. So if we are just living each other is truly must be much better. But usually just this is a principle of 6 to 4 principles. If a 4 person share then is a person total benefit is the 6 plus 4 surplus multiple 4, then is 6 plus 16, 22. So single living person's benefit is 10, minus 10 is 12. 12 is much more. So as possible as we can live with each other's numbers. Larger number is better. So we are just our living is county, province, states, country, whatever level that is my benefits is largest. So we are just combined living is singular living to combined living, then combined living is much more better to live on. So all living now, the historical living is combined urban places. That is why this. Thank you very much.